Now, let's dive into one of the most crucial aspects of setting up your Shopify store, which is configuring payments. This step is crucial because it allows you to accept payments from your customers, ensuring a smooth checkout experience. So we're going to walk through everything you need to know. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, go down to the left-hand side and click on Settings. In the Payment Settings, look for the Payment option. Click on it, and this is where we'll configure how your customers can pay. Now, one of the easiest ways to get started is by using Shopify Payments. This is Shopify's own payment gateway, and it simplifies the process since it's integrated directly into your store. Okay, so you can also add PayPal. Now, let's add PayPal as a payment option. Many customers prefer using PayPal, so it's a very good idea to have it available. Now, to activate PayPal Express Checkout, you see PayPal listed under the payment options. Click on PayPal Express Checkout. You'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, you can create it during this step. Now, link your account by following the prompts to link your PayPal account to your Shopify store. This usually involves agreeing to PayPal's terms and conditions. And once you're linked, you can configure your PayPal settings. This includes choosing the type of PayPal account you have, business or personal, and selecting which currencies you want to accept. After linking your PayPal account, you're all set to accept payments through PayPal. Now, there are other payment methods. Let's try to see how we can add them. Shopify supports a variety of other payment methods, so let's add a few more options. Here you'll see options like Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, and American Express, Visa, and all the rest. Click on Amazon Pay to activate. You need to sign in to your Amazon account and follow the prompts to connect it. Same goes for Apple Pay and Google Pay. If you're using Shopify payments, Apple Pay and Google Pay are automatically enabled. Just make sure you have set up Shopify payments correctly. In addition to online payments, you might also want to offer online payment methods for local customers. This can include bank deposits, cash on delivery, or even money orders. Scroll down to the manual payment methods section. Click on Add Manual Payment Method. You see a list of options. Select the one that fits your business. For example, if you want to accept cash on delivery, click on that. Now, provide instructions for your customers on how to complete the payment. And after entering the details, click on Activate to add the manual payment methods to your store. Before you go live, it's essential to test your payment setup to ensure everything works correctly. So in the payment settings, you'll see an option to activate test mode. This allows you to stimulate transactions without processing actual payments. Go to your online store and place a test order. Use the test credit card number provided by Shopify to complete the transaction. Check your Shopify admin to make sure the test orders appear correctly and that the payment gateways are functioning as expected. Once you've confirmed everything is working, deactivate test mode to start accepting real payments. Ensure that your business and banking information are always up to date to avoid payment delays. Regularly monitor your transactions for any unusual activity and stay on top of your finances. There you have it. You've successfully configured the payment settings for your Shopify store. This is a significant step towards providing a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Remember, offering multiple payment options can help increase your sales and improve customer satisfaction. And if you run into any issues or have any questions, Shopify's support is always available to help you out. Keep working through each step, and soon enough, your store will be fully operational and ready to accept payments.